one of the things, Hawking did his calculation in an approximation where he didn't have a theory that actually combined gravity and quantum mechanics. He was using bits of quantum mechanics and Einstein's theory and coming up with this result that you lose information. And that, if that were true, it would say that gravity and quantum mechanics are incompatible. You have to change quantum mechanics somehow, but in quantum mechanics you never lose information. And so this is why this holographic insight of Gerard and others is so important. It sort of has given us a way of avoiding Hawking's conclusions, and Hawking has accepted that. And so this way, there's now, it's been for the past 20 years, we've got a way of kind of doing quantum gravity, of combining gravity and quantum mechanics, and it uses this holographic idea in a completely essential way. And it was like that picture of the Earth with the data around it. It's kind of like saying that our reality that we experience, this gravitational universe that we're in, there's kind of an underlying reality which you can think of as those bits, those ones and zeros on the surface surrounding us, and that's what Brian was referring to as the hologram. So somehow, if you want to understand the quantum mechanics of a system with, say, black holes and gravity, what you really want to do is understand the quantum mechanics of that hologram, and not kind of directly try to do the calculations like Hawking did of the black hole.
So it's a very powerful, come to half a second just to summarize that point. It's a very powerful dictionary in some sense. You now have two ways of describing a given physical system. You can describe it sort of in the conventional way that we've always thought about it, as a three-dimensional world that has comings and goings, or you have an alternative language if you want to make use of it, which is the physics that takes place on this thin bounding surface. And sometimes that latter description gives you insights that are very difficult to obtain from the traditional description.